This is just a short little video in response to Scott from Escaping the Suburbs, who had a question for us. How did we make that little animated driving map that we use on some of our videos? We'll show you. It's actually really easy and pretty affordable, if not free. Here's just a small example of one of my past videos and the animation. The program is called Animate with an 8 map. But first you have to set up an account. I put my email in and then they're going to send me a code, so I need to go and find that. Once I put the code in that they emailed me to verify, we're going to go with the free Create a Video Now, but they have a 6-month or a Premium Flex. But at the end, I'll put a code so you can get 30% off, and I think I get like 5 free maps or something. To see examples, you click here and you can look through some of the different examples and see which one would work best for you. Just kind of peruse around. Now we're going to create a video. And you choose your style. Do you want vertical or horizontal? Do you want medium or high? And there's globe, zoom. You can go regular or slow. And then you hit next. Now we start searching for locations. This is what I put in for ours. We start in Tucson, and you can switch it by how you want to travel. And you can add other destinations. You can add Flagstaff. And click on it. And then change that to car. But for me, I'm just going to remove that one. And then here you go through the different plans. With the free, it's only 15 stops per video, medium quality, and the logos in all videos. But if you pay, you can get 150 stops per video, best quality, and you can get the logo map or logo removed, and then the same with the 10 premium credits. And they have a refund policy too. Then I started a search for Strawberry, Arizona. And I don't want this one, Lone Pine, California. I was looking for Pine, but it didn't come up, so I'm going to remove that. And I'll change this to car or bus. And then next. You continue with email or Google, and I'm going to put my email in. Create a video now. And we'll play it. Have you used this program? Or what programs have you used? Let us know in the comments. And then you just download it to it's ready. And even though I created this on my laptop, I can use it on my phone too. So then you can go back to the video editor. I know there's a lot of other editing tools like this, but this one's been good for me. Thanks for coming along.